Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can prevent any website to play sound on your Chrome. So maybe you need mute all sites that you visit because some circumstances, because you have a reason to do it. By click three dots at the top right corner of your screen, you can access settings. Click on privacy and security. Click site settings, scroll down, and here there is additional content settings. Click it, and this is the sound option. Sites can play sound by default. Sites may play sound to provide audio for music, videos, and other media. So by default, sites can play sound. You can turn this off by click do not allow sites to play sound. So features that need sound will not work, so the sites will be mute. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next video.